Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound, see beyond the forms and the energy, and realize. So, before I get into the comment on text 6 and 7 from chapter 12, instruction and ritual need encouraged together. Act with discrimination in action. Self-mastery only begins physically, but that is the stage of complete liberation. Give credit where credit is due, but unto God is the all-guru teaching, expert, darkness dispeller. Dogma should be practiced and open to experimentation. Exemplar prophets were merely to help us with the inspired methodology of the practice of the revelation and its principles. Exemplar prophets were merely to help us with the inspired methodology of the practice of the principles of the revelation to the messenger prophets. Okay. It is for the devotees to convey the spiritual knowledge. Marriage can be before consummation, or even an age where the spouses would be left alone. Religious terms have real definition, and it is not for any to reinvent spiritual ways of speaking. Actual spiritual categories are not just titles for a particular person or culture to use. The primary form of divine yoga is to know of God, then to bind up the links of our life in consciousness and action. Go beyond criticism and even scholarship. Do what you can with what you have in the right consciousness, and you will succeed. It is not about a particular thing when we sacrifice or nothing, but that we do what we can. We are liberated as soon as we are willing to obey God in anything. Knowledge is but one factor of liberation. Don't the extremes. Don't initiate the extremes of emotion that will distress. Yoga is not invented, but an attachment to the divine upon specific regulations. Now, don't fall for these Western yoga classes by people that's stretching and breathing, and then some guy going to do, I don't need to mention some of the abuses that have happened in Western yoga classes, or the violations of yoga principles, as one would say. There are different scriptures for different times and places. God is not separate from any incarnation or place. It matters which religious text we use. God has many names, but it differs per situation. If a person doesn't seek the ultimate refuge in God, there's no use in there is still value in seeking the shelter with devotees, protecting unclean animals over clean ones to protect, ones you can eat, is a sign of failing society. Eat with less risk, But to consider even religious classes as by birth is proof that civilization is currently a failure. All have guidance, but it's for humanity to choose, to accept. Without advance in spiritual consciousness, human life is a failure. Humanity is destined to get shorter-lived, weaker, and stupider in this age. Human life is not for denial of instincts, but to control them, and other impulses can awaken spiritual instincts. Aham Brahma Asmi. The constant I is ever full. To be is realized by knowing ourselves, and by the temporary and ignorant features. Beyond the temporary and ignorant features. We are what many will call God, or goddess, but we are not independent or ultimate in anything. There is a something. Well, there's some sort of identity, but okay. Let me. Sorry about the angle with this. Okay, text 6 and 7. The verses in the Varaha Purana, there's a verse. Nayami paramam satnam archirade gatim dinna garuda skandam aropya yathacham anivaretra anivarita. So, we do not have to practice the posture yoga to end up in the spiritual platforms, because that sort of thing goes beyond mere techniques, right? And the chant, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, is an example of one of those things that can work in the identity. The Narayaniya says, Yavaya sadhana sampatte purusartha chatastaya Taya vinna tannapnote naro narayanasraya. And so we're warned from merely learning for learning's sake, and merely acting for acting's sake. And the Bhagavad Gita also has another verse here, but I'm going to leave that here. So, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.